Hello again. So the last part of setting up the website will be adding our Google AdSense ads to the website. Okay, I recommend you to have only one ad because you have low content, okay, on your website. So I recommend you to have just one ad in the bottom, but I will show you how you can add even two if you want. Okay, so let's go back to our Google AdSense. I have this window from this morning when I started this course. Okay, let's hit refresh and see how much I have earned till today. It was 46. Okay, now it's 62. Okay, so the method is still working till today while recording these courses for you guys. Okay, so to create your ad, go to my ads. By the way, you should have in a private Google AdSense. You cannot use a hosted AdSense account. Your AdSense account needs to be approved so you can be able to create ads and put it on any website. So let's finish our setup. Click on New Ad Unite. Then select Text and Display Ads. Now you can put any name, Cwin, okay, and just click Save and Get Code. Now copy this code and go back to your cPanel. Click on File Manager, then go to Public HTML, go to Application, then Views, then Template, and you need to edit those two PHP files, home and joke. Let's start with home. Click Edit. Okay. If you want to put your ad on the top, just change this one. Okay, delete this one and click Paste. If you want to add your code to the bottom, delete this one, okay, and click Paste. But since I'm willing to just put one ad on this website, I will delete the top ad. Okay, I will just use one. Okay, the one on the bottom. Now click Save Changes. I will do the same thing to the joke PHP file. Edit. Okay. And I will paste it right here on the bottom. If you want to have one on the top, just delete this one and paste your ad right here. Now click Save. And that's all. Now let's close those tabs. So if you refresh this page, okay, it takes like 5 minutes to 10 minutes to show the ads, but I will check the page source to see if there is a place for the ad or not. Okay, so yeah, we have the ad right here, as you can see. It will be shown later. And that's all. That's how we add the ad to our website. So it didn't take even 5 minutes, it's already shown. So yeah, that's how we add our Google AdSense to the website. See you on the next video.